As a child growing up in Brooklyn, I cherished the Filet O fish at McDonald's and the tasty offerings from White Castle. Returning from Germany ignited a spark within me, inspired by the upscale version of McDonald's and its diverse menu. This experience fueled my passion to craft my own version of the Filet O fish. I chose rockfish for its flavorful, mild, slightly sweet and nutty taste. Its flaky texture captivates the palate, making it a versatile fish that harmonizes beautifully with bold flavors and various preparations.
I am utilizing transglutaminase, also known as meat glue. Transglutaminase is a naturally occurring enzyme found in humans, animals, and plants. It is frequently used as a food ingredient to bind proteins together, enhance food texture, or develop new products. The particular product I'm using is called Activa RM.
As I delicately layered the fresh, glistening strips of fish atop one another, I focused on creating a carefully constructed assembly. My goal was to form a beautifully shaped cylinder that would present elegantly once rolled up. The vibrant colors of the fish contrasted beautifully, promising both a feast for the eyes and a delight for the palate.
I took a 24-inch roll of plastic wrap and carefully began wrapping it around the reassembled protein. As I glided the wrap over the surface, I stretched it taut, aiming for a perfectly tight cylinder to hold everything together securely. After making around 10 to 12 complete turns, I twisted the ends of the wrap in the opposite direction, creating a snug seal. With precision, I secured the wrap using butcher's twine, ensuring everything was as tight as possible. The Activa RM, aka meat glue, will take up to 24 to 36 hours to bind the proteins under refrigeration. The Activa RM, commonly referred to as meat glue, is a powerful enzyme that effectively binds proteins together. When applied, it requires a refrigeration period of up to 36 hours to fully activate and achieve a strong, cohesive bond between the proteins. This process results in a firm and unified texture, making it an invaluable tool in culinary applications.
Following the sous vide bath, the fish was delicately plunged into a chilled mixture of ice and water, ensuring it was rapidly cooled to preserve its texture and flavor. After being refrigerated for several hours to allow the flavors to meld, the fish was then carefully transferred to the freezer for 45 minutes. This step firmed up the flesh, making it easier to slice into elegant medallions with precision and care.
Bye.